Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back with another unboxing. I've already taken it out of the box. It was a boot actually. This was one that I've been waiting on a while also, so I wanted to take it out of the package to make sure that it was what I was looking for. Basically, you can still see the indents from the boot. So this was just had the drills rolled inside, and this was surrounded by the plastic boot and duct taped on so that the tape was up here touching the drills. Yeah, it was not nicely packaged, not nicely packaged at all, but it's here. So this is from the Homhol official store, Homhol. I'll have the information down below. I ordered this April 20th. And I just received it today, July 28th. So that has been over 3 months. Yeah, it's a little frustrating. But it's here. So these are 3 paintings that I ordered. I'll show you the kits first just to get them out of the way. They are all exactly the same. So in each kit we have the white tray with the spout, piece of wax, some baggies, and then we have 2 pens. So you get a sparkle pen with 1 tip and a 10 placer, the skinny ones, which is nice, and then a pink pen with 1 tip and the 4 placer, also a skinny one. Camera, where are you? There you are. So I just recently started using the skinny ones when I received some, and I actually really like them. So now I have a couple of extras because there's 3 kits, 1 for each painting. Let me show you from here first. This one image I've seen around a lot, and I've actually seen it in special drill, and I didn't want special drill. I wanted full drill. These are all circle round drills. So this is the Hedgehog with succulents on him, and he is so cute. This one is a 45 by 45. I don't think I'm going to open the drills on these ones. You can see they are all just the little packaging, like just the little packs of 100 for each color. So there's going to be a lot. I'll do all the inventory off camera, and I'll put in the notes down below if they were all there. They do look pretty good quality. I don't see any issues there, and they're round drills, so meh. So that's the first one, this little succulent hedgehog. Another one is my spirit animal, the sloth. Yeah, that's me. This is a 30 by 45, really pretty pinks and greens. Gonna be really nice. And then this one, I love owls, and the colors in this one just intrigued me. It's a nighttime owl on some leaves, and he's just super cute. This is also a 30 by 45, and it's gonna be some really nice blues in there. There's some yellows and orange for his eyes and the moon. Yeah. Okay, so I have, like, when I took this out of the boot, it was before dinner. I left them like this so they can, you know, relax. The one thing is they're not tightly wound, which is good. Like, they're not tightly wound on styrofoam, so it's not terrible, but I don't like the boots, especially when they don't put anything between the boot and the canvas. But the canvas itself looks nice. I'll just have to flatten them out on underneath some other paintings and stuff. So this is my hedgehog. It's 45 by 45. It's all one piece. It doesn't come out too far either, so that's pretty good. Look at his little eyes looking at you. You can't see because of the glare. LED lighting, man. It's nice and bright to craft in, but for filming, oh, he's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. I love him. Turn that around. So this is my first time ordering from Homhol, and I'm not sure why I decided to. I don't know if it was just because of the paintings. So I don't know if it's, you guys can see very well because of the glare. There's a butterfly up in here and all the succulents, and I don't know if this is meant to be an animal or another succulent. I gotta see that online to see what it's supposed to be. Let me see. Can you guys see him? He looks really dark on film, but in person, he looks really good. There is training wheels on the symbols, but it's a light gray. So I think that's why it's making it really hard for you to see the image on the film, because of the gray throughout the whole thing. It almost looks like, without the color, it would be one of the surprise paintings. But I'm pretty excited about him. I think he's going to be adorable. If I could just flatten him out. There we go. Ta-da! It is a nice canvas. It's very fabric-y. It's not plasticky. Like, I don't know. It's hard to explain. Okay, so the next one is Mr. Sloppy. I'm sure you guys are like, when are you going to get all these done, Sarah? But you've seen, I've showed some finished ones. I am working on them. They will get done. And there is the bottom of Mr. Slothy. Those little claws. That was not good. There we go. And here's Devin, Mr. Slothy. He's so cute. Let's see if I can show you the majority of him. Ta-da! He's got some leaves up here and he's hanging on his branch. He's cute. There we go. And the last one is the owl. These sizes are pretty good. Actually, let me get my, after I flatten this one, I'll measure it to see, because these two are supposed to be 30 by 45. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? I can see some sparklers going into that, into his stars and the moon and his eyes. Some glow in the dark maybe in his eyes. I'm just starting to do some modifications, so I'm no pro or anything. That looks really good. This one's super exciting. Let me pull it down from this side again so you guys can see. There you go. Isn't he going to be beautiful? The detail on that one is really nice. They do look so good. Okay, price-wise. The flower hedgehog, the biggest one, was 45 by 45, and he was $16.42. The Night Stars Owl 30 by 45 was $13.26, and the Sloth in the Tree 30 by 45 was $13.01. And I believe I had coupons off on top of that. Okay, so this one is like almost exactly 30. Like pretty much. Why am I saying like? 30. Yeah, so this one is maybe half a centimeter short of 45. I'm okay with that. Yeah, those look great. They took a while, but to me that was COVID. I probably should not have started ordering. It was April 20th. I don't know. There's just one more painting that I'm waiting. Actually, two more orders. Two of the Huacan from my order of 4. I'm still waiting on the other 2. And one other painting that is also Huacan, but it's Huacan Factory Store. So I checked the tracking and they do still show that they're out there. The one says Vancouver, so I know it's coming. But yeah. All right, so again, I will put in the notes down below to confirm that I checked through all of these and they were all there. They all come with packing slips. It's just that they're the little tiny packages, but drill quality, they look really good. I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, so leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.